Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Suzuki Burgman 200. Two-up scooter, 200cc automatic transmission, fuel injector, and electric start. ABS brakes. Only 2,300 miles on this gorgeous Burgman 200. Beautiful saddle, very comfortable. Great commuter, great for fun around the Bay Area. Come on by, make your scooter dreams come true for just $34.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.